Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Alu Bodi Tama. This is very famous dish in Nepal. For this recipe, here I have taken tama. This is very fresh tama which I have got it from Asian grocery store. And I have taken this potatoes which I have cut it in cube shape. And I have this black eyes peas. So this one I have soaked it whole night, and I have chopped onion, I have chopped garlics, and I have my masala. This is salt, this is I have taken turmeric powder, masala kodulo, and this is masala powder and chili powder. So for this recipe, I have already heated the pressure cooker and I have heated the oil, and I have also put in methi seed, and now it's getting brown color. So now I can add, now I'm gonna add this. Now I'm going to fried onion. Now I'm going to add potato. Now I will add this black eyed peas. Black eyed peas, which is called bodi. Now I'm going to add this one. Now I'm going to fry it. Now I'm gonna add turmeric powder. Now I will add salt and chili powder. I'm going to fry it 1 to 2 minutes. Now I will add this masala powder. This is Cummin and Coriander powder. Now I'm going to add garlic. I'm going to mix it well. Nice garlic smell is coming. So now I'm going to add water. And I will wait until it gives 3 whistles. Now our gravy is ready. So now I'm going to add this tama, which is called bamboo shoot. So I'm going to mix it well, and I'm going to cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now it's ready, so I'm going to add this coriander leaf. So it's ready to serve. I hope you guys like this recipe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.